on-the-go Puppucino, so I don't have to stop at Starbucks.
What are you doing down there, silly dog? Where are we going, huh? Where are we going, Kenai? Oh, I think you might know. Maybe you don't. Kenai. Girl. Hi, baby girl. Good girl staying on the scale. Good girl. No?
It's bouncing between 62 and 63.
Okay. Some water. Put it right so the door doesn't knock it over. And then give you some Puppucino. Oh, yeah. It's all good, baby girl. It's all good. What are you here for today? An arthritis shot. Yay! It's gonna be fun. You're gonna be fine. Oh, you're a good girl. You're super excited. Yes, you are. Here you go. Look at this. Right here. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Yes. Have a little treat after the vet. Yeah, you a good girl. You did so good. Yeah, you get your little arthritis shot. Yeah, good job, baby. Good job. Yay, all done. Good job. Okay, Miss Kenai, how did it go? How was the visit to the vet this morning? Oh, she's looking away. I think she tolerated it. Probably didn't love it. Well, we appreciate your good attitude. You are just a stellar, superb, supreme sweetie pie, and we love you. Well, Kenai, here we go. Do-da-do. Boop-a-doo. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. Look at that cool truck right there, Kenai. That's a fun truck. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are.